Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the speed test. The speed test of October, the first Friday of October. Every first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test. Friday, October the 4th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle. The 3-star Sudoku. This one is a 4-star Sudoku. We have one left, the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve this one, and this will be 9, 3, 7, 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26, also 26, same like a previous Sudoku. For 4-star Sudoku I need 30 minutes or more. Well, it's indicated with this puzzle has 26 printed digits, should be at 2 stars. For 4 stars we have 25, should be at 2 stars, 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 1 minute already passed. 8, 8, need an 8 here, need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1. 2, 8, 8, need 8. Here. 5, 5, need a 5 here. 3. Come on, 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 2, 5. 6, 6, 6. 5, 5, 5. 2, 2, need a 2 here. 8, 8, need a 8 there. 9, 9, need a 9 here. 9 and a 2. No, 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. So no 2 here. 2 should be here. Need a 3. And I need a 4. 1, 1. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 7. Come on, come on. 3, need a 3 here. 5, 4, need a 4 here or there. It's also a 5. Come on. 6, 4. No, 8. No. 2, 5. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 4 here. We have a 4 here, so we need a 4 there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. Come on, come on. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 9. Seems like I'm stuck here. Oh, we have a 9 here, so this can be a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 5. Need a 5 here. 9, 9, need a 9 there. Need a 5 here. 5, 5, 6, 1. 5, 6, 1, 3. 5, 6, 1, 3, so need a 4 here then. 3, 5, 6, 1. 3, 5, 6, 1. So the 2 and the 7 are missing here. 2 and the 7. 7, 2, 7, 7. Need a 2 here. 2 there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 here. 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. No 7 there. 7. 1, 1. Need a 1 there also. 5 and then 3. 3, need a 3 there. 6 and 1. We have a 1 here. This should be the 1. This should be the 6. Need a 1, 1, 1. Here should be the 4. This should be the 8. Then here 2 numbers, 9 and the 5 should be here. 5, 9, 5, 5, need a 5 and the 4. 2, 4, 4 and 1. 4, 4, need a 4 there. 2, 2, 2, okay, 1, 1, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. This should be the 1, this should be the 7. 1, 2, 3, and the 6. 9 and the 5, I believe. 8 and the 6. 5, 5, need a 5 here. Come on, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 9, 9. Need a 7 here or there. 7. Need a 7 here or there. Need a 3 and a 6. Need a 6 there. 1. Need a 1 there. 3 and 6. 7 and 8, I believe. This should be the 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, and here 8 and 7. This should be the 9. Here 8 and 9. 8, 7, 8, 7, 9. Oh no, we have a 9 here. So this should be the 8. This should be the 9. This should be the 8. This should be the 8. This should be the 7. 7, 7, 7. 3 and the 6 is missing. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Need 6. 6 here or there. And I need an 8 here or there. So no 7 here. 7 should be there then. 2 numbers left. 3 and 4. It's missing 3 and 4. 3, 6, 6, 6. This should be the 6. 1 and 8. 1, 1, 1. 8, 8, 8. 3 and 4. Finish. Nope. 6 and 8. 6 and 3. We have 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and 8. Now it's finished. 9 minutes minus 1. 8 minutes. Solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.